into Canva using all the magic media, and you can start with a blank document. Here, just open that up, and you'll see magic right on top of the screen there, magic right, or just from the plus button, and click magic right, and you can enter your prompt. For example, you want to create a photosynthesis lesson plan for year 4. Click on generate, and you see that it will generate automatically for you, just like in ChatGPT or Gemini, everything in one place. If you want to tweak, you can just click more like this, but just for the sake of the example, I'll just insert that, and there you go, a very nice lesson plan in a doc. You can further tweak it by clicking on the plus, and you see the choices there. And let's go on to magic switch. Here there's a translation. You can translate to other language. For example, you want to translate to Chinese, and you can even choose the tone of voice. So just click on translate, and it will automatically translate for you and open another doc just in the same exact format as the original. So that's great. I'll show you another one. Go back to magic switch one more time, click on the magic switch, and you can also transform it to different types of document, maybe blog post or something else like a poem or then a song lyrics. That'll be fun. And another one is probably just want to convert it into a presentation. Click presentation, click the template that you want, and then of course it's a bit basic there, but at least there's a starting point for that. And then you can of course use the elements, add to make it even better. You can just go to elements and look for a plant, probably graphic. You can use photos, and for this example I use graphic, and then just adjust that. If you plan to use a photo with backgrounds, for example, you can easily remove the background just by one click on the PG remover there, and that's it. Very nicely done, and just adjust the position. Right, say for example, if you scroll all the way down in the elements, and you can actually generate an image of your own. If you can also generate graphics, or if you prefer to do video, there's a short video that you can generate. So for this example, I want to have a photosynthesis cycle video generated for me. It will take some time, and that's it. And if you don't like it, you can generate again, then just add into your presentation. Right, the next one is Dream Lab, or you can click on make me an image there, and it will you can generate any image that you want. You can think of. For example, plant dancing in the air. Be creative, be more descriptive. The more descriptive you are, the better, and it will generate automatically for you. You can add the image as a reference, or you can change the orientation and stuff like that. All right, and the next one is the collaboration part, that you can use the whiteboard. So just open any whiteboard here. You can create from template. There's many templates that you can use here. Okay, just choose one of this. I have one created here. This one was used for our training a few days ago. So what I did was I want them to have an AI education idea board, and in the apps here on the left, you can actually search for any apps you want. For this example, I use bit.ly so that I can create the QR code and the shortened link here right away. So everything in one place. I don't have to go to another tab, and things like that. So, and I shared this using. You can also share this using the link, or make sure they have editing right. All right, and copy the link. You can share in Google Classroom or any LMS that you use. Or you can simply type their names if you are Canva for Education account, a school account. So once it's shared with them, the student can, for example, add their ideas here, and they can choose one of the post-it notes. Then they type the names and add in their ideas, and as a teacher, then when they're done, I can highlight the whole thing here, the post-it notes, and let's see the sort there. If you see the sort button, you can sort it by topic or by color, by name, or whichever you want. And for this example, I sort it by topic, and voila, it's done for you automatically. You can see that your students' ideas are sorted according to topics using AI, just like that. All right, so the next thing you can click on resize, scroll down, and then you can transform it into a doc, or you can summarize it, or a blog post, whichever you want. Maybe you want to summarize and send it to others. Okay,